In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get chat suggestions using Google Workspace for Business. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed into your Google Workspace account. This will streamline your experience as we go through the steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is to click on the admin console. Doing so will bring you to the hub where you can manage all settings related to your business account. It's an essential step that enables you to access the administrative controls we need for this setup. After clicking the admin console, you will be prompted to log in using your business email. This is your key to enter a world of customization that Google Workspace has to offer. Keep your business email ready, type it in, and proceed with the login credentials to move forward. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Google Apps menu icon. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of applications and features available under your business account's offerings. You should find the icon labeled Admin among the list. Click on it to continue. This will launch the admin dashboard, which acts as the command center for the changes we're about to make. Our next stop is to find the generative AI option. If you're struggling to locate it, remember that it's usually housed within the same URL area. Click the link and this should direct you to the specific section we're interested in exploring today. With that done, proceed by clicking on the Gemini app. This part is crucial because the Gemini app is where you can enable AI-based chat suggestions. It's designed to help improve productivity and streamline communication within your team by offering intelligent chat suggestions. Following this, navigate to the service status section. This option is usually presented clearly as part of the settings that allow you to choose which services are active or inactive for your organization. Ensuring that the right services are activated is vital for everything to work smoothly. Now you want to turn the Gemini app service on for everyone within your organization. This action guarantees that all users linked to your business account can benefit from the intelligent suggestions derived from Google's AI capabilities. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button. Saving your settings is crucial as it confirms and applies the changes to your entire Google Workspace. Failing to do so might mean having to go through these steps again, and we definitely want to avoid that. In summary, enabling chat suggestions through Google Workspace leverages AI to make communication more efficient for your entire team. Just navigate to the right settings, turn the app on, and save changes. Remember, these small adjustments today can lead to significant productivity gains for your business tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful.